Hello. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and in today's look I'm going to be doing this really quick, easy smoky eye with a little bit of color. I like to do it's like a pretty neutral look, but if you add like a little bit of color into it, I feel like it's really nice for spring. If you want to see how I created this look, please watch all the way through to the end, like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I love wearing like bright colorful eyeliners, but sometimes I want to just kind of dirty them up, so I'm just going to show you how I like to do that. So I start off with just like any brown pencil. This is Chestnut. It's a lip pencil from MAC. Oh, I use it for eyes and lips. And I just throw on a good amount underneath. Pull that out. And I do a pretty significant amount on my lid because I'm gonna blend this out so it looks like a smoky eye, just a really easy, quick smoky eye. You can just do with a pencil. Just take a brush with nothing on it and just blend that out. Make it as intense as you want it. This color is Aqua Green from NYX, and it's a really beautiful bright teal color, but when you mix it in with a brown, it dilutes it but still gives like a really beautiful undertone to the eyeliner that you just put on. And then that way you can have you can do a couple of different looks with the few eyeliners that you have. So you can keep it really intense and really bright and vivid by just putting it on alone, or you can mix it with another color that you have to create a different look. So to pull out the green a little bit more, for my highlight, I'm using this color. This is by Melt Cosmetics. This is Blush Light. I'm just going to use a small fluffy brush. I'm just applying it to the highlight, but it has an undertone of green to it, so they really play off each other nicely. So I'm going to take that same pencil that I used as eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it as my lip liner. I like to apply it and then smudge it out so that it's giving more of like a contour effect rather than a harsh liner effect. For my lips, I'm going to be using this color. This is Danessa Myricks palette, a waterproof cream palette. I'm just pressing that into the lips. Take a light fluffy brush and just a little, they're so pigmented, you just need a very, very little bit. Put a little bit on the back of my hand to get some off. But I love adding this little bit of like an orangey rust color because that really plays off of the greens. So you can keep it matte, but I want to tone it down just a little bit just to show that you can also neutralize those colors. This is a great color to do that with. This is Glossy Fawn by L'Oreal. So by putting a really bold color down first and then going over it with like a sheer neutral color with a little bit of a gloss, I find gives that like perfect neutral look that's not too gray, but it's also if you don't want to go so bold. And there you have it. Just a quick, still like a neutral look, but adding a little bit more oomph I think is really nice for spring because you want to add like a little bit more color into your everyday. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.